We're over here in Pilsen, right off of 18th Street on Blue Island between Damon and Ashland. You want some steak tacos, you want that smell, that out of cheddar, this is the place to be. That is going to be fantastic. Eat that. Watch this, guys. I don't even know how I ate this. This thing is so huge. Oh, this is just beautiful. Wow. So that's like a big old pepper in there, huh? Man.
Banana pepper.
Oh, that's so good. Watch this. The texture in the cheese, yeah, you can totally taste that pepper too. It's delicious. And you said this was this one over here?
Cecina.
Cecina.
That
Wow.
was good with green sauce.
The green sauce?
Yeah.
The verde?
Right? So we need something light.
Nice and light. Fantastic at every bite. Juicy, tender. Damon at the Luna Taco Grill. Good people. I've known these people a long time. They got phenomenal food. They specialize in out of cheddar, birria tacos. I mean, they have really good food here. Danny is an excellent chef. We love guayaba, orange and pineapple. Oh, this is out of this world here.